always say that your confidence in your environment is in confidence in your health. And your food today is your health tomorrow. Okay, we are here again with another wonderful package. In case you are new to our channel, do us very much good by subscribing, following, and sharing our videos and our packages so that our friends who are out there who have not yet come to the knowledge of all that we have been feeding you with, helping us and the society at large to get best at its health. We get to know and get to see, because we say knowledge is power. Thank you. We move on. Our old subscribers and members, we say thank you for your being there and all that you have done to see us through by encouraging us with the views. Thank you so much. We are here again today with another wonderful package that is very much interesting, as much as everything we have to do and all that is on our body is necessary and good for our well-being, and that is where we come to talk about the importance of taking care of our vision, which has to do with our eyes. In every other thing, that you might lose your hand and still be living well, you might lose your leg and still be living well, but believe in me, when you are without your heart, you are without your heart, you may die. But then when you are without your eyes, it becomes worse than any other thing anybody could think of. And that is why today we are here with information on how you can take care of your eyes, even before going to any clinic, before any issue will come about that can take you to any clinic. And these are the things that we can get at home. It is not actually something that we have to spend a huge money or maybe go to any clinic or thereabouts. You can easily and always have it at your home. And that is some of the foods we eat. And number one of it is pawpaw, which you call botanically Carica papaya. Carica papaya, as much we know, pawpaw, which we know, has a chemical nutrient that is called lycopene carotenoid. That lycopene carotenoid is very much good at slowing down, if not outrightly stopping, the formation of cataracts. And we know how much this very issue, cataract, is raging and rampaging the whole society today. That very pawpaw, eating it regularly will help you, especially a ripe one. The yellowish part, component of that very pawpaw, when it has ripened, that very yellowish part of it is very much needed. And that is to say, it is always better to eat the ripe one than to take it unripe. It's actually not going to give you purposely all that you need. Then another food that is necessary, and a fruit and vegetable that is necessary, that we have to be taking almost continually or every day, often and often, is carrots, which we know has a full pack of retinol, which is called vitamin A. Retinol is very much good for the function and the health of the eyes. That is one thing to go about. Okay, we come across what is called sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes has vitamin A, which maintains the health of the cornea. And in as much it does that, there is another part of it, that the pigment that is called, part of the eye, that is the pigment that is called rhodopsin. That rhodopsin, it is the whole full work of this vitamin A also to go down to keeping its function steady and functional every day, which enables the light that is coming into our eyes as electrical signals to be converted and interpreted as vision. So you say you see, and in as much you are seeing, there is something that is responsible for that you're seeing, and that is the presence and the work of vitamin A that is in that very sweet potatoes that you see every day. Okay, we have not stopped there. Very much within your environment, you can always see spinach and kale. Spinach and kale, they have two most important nutrient that is very much good for the eyes, and that is why we talk of lutein and zeaxanthin. These zeaxanthin are two carotenoids that protect the retina. In as much the part of the eyes that is called retina is very much important and needed for the function and the well-being of the eyes. This very spinach and kale is very much good. I wonder why in some areas people say they don't like eating it, but then can I tell you that most of those things you say you don't like eating, they are the things that gives you what you need to function every day. In as much you are able to eating all of them every day, believe me, you will hardly be seeing yourself in the hospitals and clinics. Okay, another one is chicken egg. Someone might say, how come chicken egg? When did it come about this very help to the eye health? Then chicken egg, I can shock you to tell you that chicken egg has also vitamin A. Yes. And it also contains lutein and zeaxanthin. It is very much well packed in that very chicken egg. So you go about taking and consuming it. Another one that is also very much about, though somehow rare in our society, that most people don't really always see it around is oysters. Oysters is fully packed with avalanche of zinc. And zinc, we know it is needed by almost 300 enzymes in our body, which eyes is one of those organs in the body and the part of our body that needs it also for its function. We look at that zinc also, we found out that it helps to maintain the structure and stability of the proteins in the retina. And it goes down to protect the retina cells to prevent and slow down vision loss, and along with other antioxidants that are found in the body like selenium. What about almond nuts? You see almond nuts, it is very much packed with vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant for the health of the body and also for the eyes that you see every day. Then for those of us that like eating fish, you see mackerel, sardine, and salmon. They are fully packed with what is called omega H3, omega 3s. Okay, omega 3 is very much, if not one of the most needed and world leading nutrients that is helping in every other thing, most especially those people that have issues of brain formation and the rest of the issue, even in DNA formation. But then I do not need to take you down that realm, but then I need to let you know that this very one called omega 3s in the eye function is very much needed, and that is why if we have been avoiding these very fishes that I have mentioned their name, you need to come back to it and start enjoying them, because you are actually protecting your tomorrow and protecting your vision. We say that our people perish for lack of vision, but then please don't perish, because we need you. Remember, I am still your doctor online, Dr. Isupechin. I will always be here. All I need is for you to be there, and then give us a thumb up by sharing, liking our videos. Share it to your friends so that they will know what they need to know. And then if you are new to our channel, if you have not come in here, please turn around. You see that bell shaped button, touch it. It's a subscribe button for us, and we will always be here to provide you with all that you will need and also be encouraged. See you in our next video.